Alright, today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix any problems according to your game not launching on Steam. This is mainly caused by missing files. So I'm going to show you exactly how to restore those. Today I'm also going to give you some extra tips on help fixing your problem. So our first step is going to be right-clicking on the game. Now this will work for any game. I've tested this for pretty much every game I have, and it worked for every single game. So go under Properties, go under Installed Files, and go on Browse. So it will take you to the game's directory. Okay. So open that up, it's going to take you into the game's directory. You're going to go in and you're going to find the exe file. Okay, this is the file that launches the game. You're going to right click on that, show more options, and properties. Then you're going to hit into the compatibility tab, and down here you're going to make sure that run this program in compatibility mode 4 is unticked, and the same goes for run this program as an administrator. Make sure that's also turned off. Then click apply and click OK. Alright, your next step is to head out of the game's directory and right click on the game again. Go again under properties and again under installed files. Now we're going to verify the integrity of the game files. Now what this will do is this will run through a scan for every single file that you have, see if the files are okay. If they're not, it's going to restore any missing files that you might have and hopefully fix your problem. So you can see mine is now running through. It might take some time. It really depends on how big your game is. If it's really big like Starfield, it will be 116 gigs. It could take around maybe 10 to 20 minutes. If it's very small, it's going to take a couple of seconds. But right now, everything seems to be going fine. It's loading through, and it's going to download any files that might be missing. Another way you might fix your issue is by disabling Steam Overlay while in game. This might help you fix your problem, and you might be able to launch your game after that. So if none of the others worked, try this and see if you can launch your game now. Now for the final option that you might want to try and do, I'm going to try this with another game that's going to be Stellaris, because there are more versions out of this, but that's going to go into betas, and you're going to try and roll back your version of the game. I can't do this with Starfield because this hasn't been updated enough for me to do it, but there's a bunch of updates for Stellaris, so I'll be able to roll back if I have any of these issues, and you can see you can go back to any previous versions, and if you can launch the game after that, that may fix your problem, and you now know why you had this problem. It's because the newer version that there's an issue with it and it needs to be fixed by the developers. So that's also one of the ways to troubleshoot for this. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick guides. Like if you like it, dislike if you dislike the video, and see you guys next time.